Kia ora whānau. I just wanted to share a little tool with you that I learnt about at a professional development session I was in earlier this week. This tool is for Safari, and it works with your Safari on your laptop, it works on iPads, and it also works on your phone. So you've been given something to read on Safari, or you're reading something with your students on Safari, and you want to reduce the cognitive load and the distracting items on the page. There's a little button at the top here that you can click, and you can click Show Reader, and it reduces all the noise on the page, and it just gives you the important elements. It also gives you a summary as part of Apple's new suite of AI tools. You can even print, and it will print you a clean version of that article. When you want to go back, you click at the top and hide reader. If you don't want to get rid of everything, but you still want to reduce the cognitive load on a page, you can click on this tool again, down to hide distracting items, and click on the things that you think are going to be distracting for your students, and it will get rid of them. So you can see at the top I've got 3 hidden items. When you want to bring them back, you click the cross, and they'll all appear again. Anyway, hope that's helpful.